forgot that this vlog is actually going to be titled My Last Day of School, and I actually did everything but school today. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or for new, hello and welcome. Today's video is going to be a last day of school vlog. This is my last day of college ever, and I only have one class, but I still figured I would take you guys along with me, and then my roommate and I have some like little plans and things, so we'll take you guys along for that. But I cannot believe it's my last day of school ever, hopefully, unless I go back to grad school or anything like that. But it's my last day of school for a really long time, and definitely feels bittersweet, but mostly sweet. I just am really burnt out of school, so I need a break. But today's the last like true day of classes, and then I still have 3 exams to handle before I'm fully graduated. Yeah, it's crazy. I haven't vlogged in a really long time. It is 11 this morning. We had to go and handle moving some stuff out of our apartment. We had some stuff that was someone else's, so we gave it all to her. The first thing that I have to do is get ready for the gym. Straight from the gym, I'm gonna go to class, and then after class I have like a bunch of other stuff to do, so I'll just take you guys along. Okay, so for today's gym OOTD, I decided on an all black fit, of course, Honor Active. These are the biker shorts. They're kind of longer, but I don't have like the mid-length ones, but I still like them. I'm gonna like scrunch them up. And then I just got this bra. It's the classic seamless bra, nice little back crisscross, but I think I'm also gonna wear the short sleeve crop top on top, but I'll probably like overheat in 5 seconds and take it off. This one doesn't have like the hole in the back, but since I have class right after, I feel like the crop top and the shorts is like a better look than the sports bra. Okay, here is the finished look. Very basic, but it feels like good to just wear something very easy. And then I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a claw clip because I kind of need to go. Yeah, I need to go. I'm about to go to the gym and just get like a quick leg day in. I've been really exhausted this week. I'm on my period. It's like the last real week of school. I'm really stressed about like finals, school, final projects, like getting everything done. I have 2 job interviews tomorrow. I'm just really like, I'm overwhelmed to say the least. And so that's all been translating into my sleep, into my work ethic, into the gym, and like it's just not been my best week, but I'm still showing up and I'm trying my best, and I feel like that's what matters.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm literally sweating so much right now. They didn't have any fans blowing. I was so fucking hot. Like, I'm dying right now. I actually feel like I was gonna pass out. Why is this literally so close? This has to be Zoom. Yeah. I am parked and waiting for my class, and I have more time than I thought, and I was gonna wait to do like my life update situation until another video, but I actually feel like now is a good time just because I'm like sitting here anyway. And I'm gonna keep this brief. I filmed another video where I talked a lot more, and I just decided against posting it. I just felt like it was a lot of me complaining because I was still processing the situation. Yeah, I just felt like I can get everything conveyed in a faster way, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I might have mentioned it in previous vlogs as well. I can't remember, but I applied to grad school. So my plan was to graduate college, go to grad school, become a registered dietitian. That was like the plan that I made for myself. And something about me is like I need a plan, and so I think that I made that path and chose that path just to have something planned out, and not because necessarily that was like my dream route. Looking back, so I didn't get it. Okay, that's the main thing, is like I didn't get into grad school, and initially like I was really sad about it. I was like, okay, well, I didn't get into grad school, but I also have no plan for next year other than the fact that I'm living in my college town. That was was just like the cherry on top of a lot of stuff that was happening in my life at the time and stuff that's still happening, but like I've been able to process the stuff that's going on in my personal life, bounce back from that, and realize that all of that is happening for a reason. But this on top of that at the time was devastating for me, just because I was like, nothing is working out for me. Like everything is going sideways. Like I have no idea what the future holds for me or even remotely looks like for me, because nothing that I had foreseen in the future or planned for in the future was aligning anymore. Like nothing was gonna be there for me anymore. I cried so much. I was just getting like really in my head about things. Yeah, I just needed a lot of time off, and that's why I didn't vlog, because I just didn't feel like myself and I wasn't really doing anything super fun or anything. Like I was just kind of going through my days and also scrambling just to figure out like what am I gonna do next year. And so I finally have like more of an update on that, and I feel a lot better about that. So once I didn't get into grad school, I sat for a while and I just said, maybe this is the break I need. I'm so drained. I'm barely making it through this last semester. I'm exhausted. Because mind you, I'm graduating in 3 years. I didn't take any breaks in any of the summers. I always took summer courses. Like I haven't taken a break since I was a child, basically, because I've been in school my whole life. And so that on top of just all the other stuff that I like to put onto myself, like all the, oh no, my camera's overheating. Okay, so my camera's actually overheating because it's so hot where I have it placed. So I'm gonna just wrap this up quicker. But essentially, so I didn't get into grad school, and that was like really hard for me to accept. Work starts now. Like I graduate and then I get a job and then I work the rest of my life. I have spent the past month really trying to like get my life in order. Also accept the fact that it's not in order and be okay with that. So I decided that I actually wanted to look into remote marketing jobs, which I know in the big picture you're probably like, what? But I always knew, like a part of me always knew that I might end up in like a corporate role, and I definitely don't regret my major. I just want to make that clear. I love my major. I have learned so much from my major, and I think that my major was extremely challenging and information that I couldn't have learned by myself, if that makes sense. Like I think my college education went towards learning things that I don't think I could have learned by myself, and I feel like I've gained a lot from for my personal business, for Instagram, for YouTube, for my own personal use. Like I've learned so much practical knowledge, and so I love my major. I don't regret it. I'm looking into remote marketing jobs so that I can still keep my lease here next year. I need money, and I need to start working and making my own money and becoming financially independent. Yeah, that's basically what I'm looking into. I think that that's better for me. I don't see myself thriving in another long-term graduate program, and I don't necessarily see myself working in a clinical setting. All the knowledge that I have, my degree, everything, I actually want to put towards social media and connecting with girls online and changing their lives and being an online coach. And that's another thing. The reason I'm looking for remote work is so that I still have flexibility with social media, so it can still be something that I pursue and that I can honestly put a lot more into now that school's over or almost over. I've had 2 clients and I absolutely love them with all my heart. They're amazing, and I want to be able to have more and expand to more, but I just knew that right now I don't have all the time in the world and the focus and the energy. I'm very excited to launch my coaching program to everybody so that I can put on more girls, take on more clients, and that's not something that I want to be a full-time job. And the reason for that is just because I never want to rely on people needing me. You know, I just want to be there to help people. I don't want to have to overcharge my coaching for my bills. I've never had less of a plan in my life than I do right now, and I've never been more uncomfortable with that. But I do think that we're going to figure it out, and I do think things are going to work out, and I can't wait to take you guys along for the journey and be a lot more consistent on here and talk to you guys about things. I've been inconsistent, I've been out, and I've had a lot of ups and downs emotionally, and it's just been really hard for me this past year, honestly. So I hope the next 6 months of 2022 treat me a little bit better and are for the best. And I do believe everything happens for a reason. I think me not getting into grad school was like a very big blessing in disguise. That's all. And thank you guys if you listened to that. That was longer than I wanted it to be. My camera kept dying and I kept picking up at a new place. So that wasted enough time that I'm actually going to be like late to class if I don't leave right now. So I'm about to go in. But again, thank you guys so much for listening. And I just felt like the need to fill you guys in. I just kind of wanted to give an update and also just remind you guys that life doesn't always go to plan, but that's okay. And we're going to figure it out. And it's okay to be lost, and it's okay to be really unsure of what's to come for you. So I definitely will have more to say in future videos because I do feel like this was rushed. Also, I am like graduating cum laude. I think I'm magna cum laude, not summa. I'm like the middle one. I think there's like a little board in the classroom that I'm going to that has my name on it. So I'm going to try to find it and take a picture for my mom. And I'm going to throw on a t-shirt because I don't want to look a little crazy. I'm going to go to class and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm out. You know what time it is, Katie? It's time to be such material girls. And get our nails done. We're going to nail Envy.
We're headed to nail it. Wait, did I go the wrong way?
I think you stay straight. Don't trust me on that.
That was so
what
good.
color is Katie getting?
I think I'm gonna get green because I have this pink right now, which is cute, but my dress for Friday is pink, and I feel like pink on pink is like too much.
Katie's birthday is actually on Friday.
It's actually the event that's like circulating and
everything that
motivating
we're doing today.
all these other events.
We actually also, tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, and we're actually doing salmon bowl day. I'm gonna get my nails done, and they're gonna last for graduation, but I don't know what color yet. We're gonna see what we have.
Maroon or orange? Are you gonna get a design?
No. Ayla, I know you're gonna be watching this. Ayla, do you remember? Do you remember Katie's birthday last year when you were like actually sitting right there? Nail envy.
No, these look bad. Like this literally looks like a little troll head. That's what it makes me think of. Like I could put a smiley face and it
so
would look
Katie
like a
asked for almond.
I think I like didn't understand what almond was.
I got oval.
I thought this is what I was asking for. She started roasting me. I was like, she was like, what shape do you want? And I was like, the same, like almond. And then she was like, these are not almond. And she was like, I don't know what shape that is. It's not round, it's not almond. She was like not impressed. I really like the color. I'm just like, they're just a little bit, it's giving like knives.
I got hokey colors for my graduation. My guy was the most efficient nail person I've ever had in my life. I think he finished in 25 minutes, literally. Chick-fil-A is in our sights.
It's right there.
There. Did you get nuggets too?
Yeah.
Damn, these hoes hate me.
My dick's so hard, I have babies.
So...
Someone was actually like so thirsty.
They had a vendetta.
And it actually wasn't me.
I'm actually so humiliated that I am carrying this. It's like a big fister.
I'm gonna turn the music down so you don't get
Hey, little pig. Aw, so thoughtful.
Don't want you to get sued.
I appreciate that. Anyways, that was the material girl part of the day.
Yeah, so we got our nails did. We got Chick-fil-A.
2 things that we actually couldn't afford in our normal budget. Okay, I just did my hair. Oops. And I got dressed. I'm wearing this fuchsia classic seamless set for some pictures to try to replace my profile picture on Instagram because it's very old and I don't know, I want it changed. But I got a package from Merit that I have had sitting here and I haven't opened it because I said I was gonna vlog it and then I just never vlogged. So I wanted to open it with you guys. They're a makeup company and they're, I think now in Sephora. Their motto is less is more. I really resonate with this because I don't really wear a lot of makeup and when I do, I don't want it too crazy. But look how cute this little bag they brought it in is. I've seen these like online, so I knew how this was gonna look, but I got to pick 4 products. I just picked like very basic products that I could also use for graduation next week because I don't usually buy makeup. The first thing I got was a blush, I think. It's called a cheek color. I guess it's called Flush Balm. I'm no beauty guru, so. This is in the color Terracotta. It's like a blush, but it's also like a little bit on the darker side, which I kind of like. That's what it looks like, and it seems like a really smooth consistency, which I feel like will blend nicely. The next thing I got is a highlighting balm. Love a good highlight. This is in Bounce. Okay, this is so pretty. Seems like it's a lipsticky kind of application, but it's like that same thing where you just like go like that. I might put some of this on today, to be honest. Okay, so I think this is actually concealer, and honestly, I could not tell online what shade was right for me, and there weren't that many options, so this could be like a really big bust. But I got it in the color Suede. Here's how it looks. I'm already like very skeptical. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work for me, but we'll try it nonetheless. And then lastly, oh, I got a brow pomade. Okay, so I used to actually, the first time I got my eyebrows done, I used to have something like this by Benefit. I'm excited to try all these new products. I like how everything is very simple and they don't have a ton of products. It's just like the essentials. I don't think I had a code or anything with them, but if for some reason I do, I'll put it on the screen and down below so you guys can shop. I'll tell you guys my thoughts on all this stuff once I use it a little bit more, and I'm going to use it for graduation, so I'll let you guys see how I use it and the look then. Here is the complete set. So we took some pictures. I forgot to show you guys those. I'll put them on the screen though. And we actually found a great photo spot. Katie's gonna be taking some pictures for her birthday tomorrow there because it looks great.
We had a little manic last minute change of plans. We've had about 50 of these.
Yeah, we have like such a big weekend plan. Honestly, we're booking ourselves so full.
So full.
We're going back to the store now because we're hosting.
Yeah, we're hostesses.
We're hostesses for these plans for Salmon Bowl de Mayo, as we referenced earlier. To accompany the salmon bowls, to still give it a little bit of de Mayo,
yeah,
we're getting chips and salsa and guac. But we're actually broke from the nails that we got earlier.
Quite broke.
So I found gift cards for Kroger so we can afford this trip.
It's basically free.
Yeah, like it's no paper trail. We'll do a grocery haul when we're out. We used our reusable bags today.
We actually use my reusable bags.
Like bad bitches do. I have some too. Whatever. We were on a strict budget, $50 max. We only spent $30.
We actually are like pretty good on a budget.
30,000. But here's what we got. Katie got strawberries for her own personal pleasure. We got salsa for our guests tomorrow. This is the best flavor.
Did you show them top?
Yeah, sweet.
Just so you know.
Mild guac, they better eat this. It was $5. And I don't like guacamole. 4 limes for them to take tequila shots because Katie's turning 21. Fun fact. Cookie dough for my personal pleasure. Brownies for the guest's personal pleasure. And then it's gonna get a little bit crazy.
This is where things get wild.
Hold this one. 2. Because Ayla in the group chat, she said Doritos with the heart on fire. Also Katie's breakfast.
Strawberries and yogurt.
These are our tortilla chips to eat with our fixins, but wait till you see Caitlin's.
Lime.
These are our friend Caitlin's. Note, she has IBS.
Can't see them. Oh.
It was for like dramatic effect.
It's actually an important factor that she actually has IBS.
So don't make fun of her. Thank you. Anyways, that's it.
That's for our fun fest party tomorrow night. That's for salmon bowl de mayo. We actually already have the salmon.
Yeah, actually,
these are the
we need to get it out the freezer.
Oh yeah.
It's actually the smallest kitchen you'll ever see in your whole life.
It's actually like a closet. That's our Kroger haul. Oh, also something that I would like to add into this story.
Go for it.
Was that someone in this kitchen actually didn't know how to swipe their credit card.
It wasn't a credit card, it was a gift card. I thought it said normal gift card, not e-gift card.
Either way, you swiped it wrong.
Yeah, I did.
4 times.
So I realized I totally forgot to film an outro, so I just wanted to do that now and also say thank you guys so much for 5K. I'm very grateful for you guys. I never thought that my YouTube family would be a family and really be very big, and I'm just very grateful for you guys and grateful for all the love and support even during patches where I go through being a little bit inconsistent. I'm excited to vlog next week for you guys. I'm graduating on Thursday and Friday, but Thursday's the one I walk on, and so I think I'll do like a graduation get ready with me kind of vibe. Yeah, I just can't believe how much is changing for me. It's very exciting. It's also very nerve-wracking and scary, and so I'll be kind of taking you guys through that transition, and I'm just very grateful for you guys for sticking by me, and I can't wait to see what's next, and I can't wait to take you guys as a part of it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.